Hi, welcome back to the PC Error Detective channel. In this video, we'll show you how to remove PIN sign-in in Windows 10, so you can switch back to a password or simplify your sign-in process. Step 1. Open Settings on your Windows 10 computer by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. This is where all system and account controls are managed. Settings helps you change security, personalization, and sign-in preferences easily. Step 2. Click on Accounts, which is the section that stores your user profile, sign-in methods, and security information. This area is important because any change related to login options is handled here. Step 3. Click on Sign-in Options from the left side or main panel. This section shows all available ways you can sign into Windows, including password, PIN, and Windows Hello features. Step 4. Find and click on PIN, also known as Windows Hello, to expand it. This option allows faster sign-in, but may not be needed for everyone. Expanding it reveals controls related to managing or removing the PIN. Step 5. Click on the Remove button, which tells Windows that you want to delete the PIN from your account. This step is necessary to stop Windows from asking for a PIN during sign-in. Step 6. Click on Remove again to confirm your choice. Windows may ask for your account password to verify it's really you. Once confirmed, the PIN sign-in will be removed successfully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and troubleshooting videos.